when to start for the CSIR NET preparation? Are you still thinking what all is there in the examination? Are you still in doubt that what kind of paper is there in CSIR NET? Don't worry, Life Science Gyan is here to discuss your doubts and give you the explanation for each of your doubts. So let's get into it, everyone. Welcome back to your channel Life Science Gyan. I'm Anukampa and today I'm going to discuss with you all few other questions that are related to CSIR NET preparation. Starting with the first and foremost doubt that many of the students are having is when to start the CSIR NET preparation. So frankly speaking, that's my personal experience that if you are in graduation, then you should start your preparation from today itself. The thing is that whatever you are learning in your graduation, try to brush up your concepts very well, try to be perfect in your knowledge in whatever subjects you are going through. And whenever you will check the syllabus of the CSIR NET, you will find that subject over there. So it's better to start the preparation from today itself. Now the thing is, when you want to go for the targeted preparation, so the better time is from BSc final year to MSc first year. This is the duration where you can start your targeted study. What do you mean by the targeted study? Targeted study basically means at that point of time, you have to select out the important topics from that particular subject which is basically required to be known by you so that you can qualify the examination. So, according to me, the best time to prepare is from BSc final year to MSc first year. But try to be perfect in whatever subjects you are right now learning. Coming on to the second most important doubt that you all must be having in your mind, because I had that in my time, and that is, what is the syllabus of CSIR NET examination? So first of all, I would like to tell you that if you will go to the CSIR website, then you will find the syllabus over there for that particular subject you want to prepare for. Like you are life sciences, then you have to go and check out the syllabus over there. But still, for your knowledge over here, basically what I am sharing is the units that are present in the CSIR NET syllabus. Basically, it consists of 13 units, and each unit is actually a subject that you have read or you are learning in your graduation or you're going to learn in your post-graduation. So it is basically having 13 units, but there are many tips and tricks that you can follow while preparing for it, because there is no one who is going to study all these 13 units and no one can go through all the standard books of each and every units. So you need to be very much selective for your preparation. To know about those selective topics and tips and tricks, I will upload few videos on it. Now coming on the third very important question, and that is, what is the examination pattern? So basically the CSIR NET exam paper consists of three sections: section A, section B and section C. Section A is common to all, I mean the aspirants of CSIR NET, whether they are of life science, mathematical science or physical science, because section A is actually having total of 20 questions. Among those 20 questions, you just have to attempt 15 questions, and those are all mathematical questions, general aptitude questions. So you have to be very peculiar for the calculations and you need to use your common sense for solving those questions. I will upload few videos where I will share the tips and tricks to solve those questions also. Coming on to section B. Section B consists of memory based questions, and this section is actually having total of 50 questions. Among those 50, you have to select for 35 questions. You have a very good memory if you really want to secure good marks in this section. This section comprises of total of 70 marks, means 2 marks for each question, and in case you will opt for an incorrect option, then your 0.5 marks will get deducted. So you have to be very selective while selecting your questions. The third section is section C, and section C is having total of 75 questions, and you have to only select for 25 questions, but this only is just right now. The moment you will open the paper, you will feel that it's not only 25, because it's very difficult to select that top 25 from that 75 questions, and these questions are completely based on scientific reasoning. You need to know the concept, the theoretical part and its applicative part. So these questions are the questions that decides whether you are going to qualify the exam or not. So this was all about section C. The marking criteria is this, that each question is going to have 4 marks, and in case you have done any mistake in the question, 1 mark will be deducted from your secured marks. So that is the negative marking over there. So this was all about CSIR NET exam paper pattern, syllabus and when to start the preparation. I hope this video is going to help you out a lot. If you want to know few more things regarding CSIR NET examination, do write that in the comment section. Even if you have liked the video, you can write your comments in the comment section. Do subscribe my channel and share this video as much as you can. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.